Hi everyone, welcome to Technique Thursday. Today I'm going to do one of the Bible page kits, and I'm going to do it in my hymnals. When we first started talking about doing the hymns of God and the Amazing Grace journal, I ordered 3 hymnals off eBay, and they're really old and they're just so fabulous, and I wanted to do a few of the page kits in the books. So I thought I'd just work in this one today. So, oh gosh, I wish it says price 35 cents or 3 for $1. Postage and packing 5 cents per book. 1946. Is that amazing? What a great book to just keep and have. So I'm not sure how it will work. I'm trying a new technique today. So I thought that I would gesso the pages just so I wouldn't have any leak through. So what I'm using today is the Art Basics Clear Gesso. I was using TriArts and thought, hey, Margaret was telling me how much she loved this one. So I thought I am going to just gesso up these pages. And I'm just using a little foam brush, and we'll do gesso 2 coats and just protect the pages from any bleed through, because we're going to be working with sprays today, but in a whole new way. So this is going to be fun. I think I'm going to do a few of the page kits in this hymnal actually, so you may be seeing it next week as well. I'm not sure exactly what I'm going to be doing yet, but I have a new fun supply coming, and it should be here soon, so I'm going to play with that and show you guys how to use that. Always something fun in the studio. So you just want to make sure if you're working in your Bible or anything that you go both ways and cover all the spaces. I'm not too worried about it in the hymnal itself, because this is going to be like my little art book. And so much fun. So let's give this a dry, and then I'll do another coat, and I will be back. I won't make you watch it all, and I will be back and we'll move on to step 2. Okay, we're back, 2 coats nice and dry. So what I thought I was going to try today is something I've never done before. What I did was I took the Dilutions. I took pink, yellow, and green, and what I did was I just poured a bit of it into my paint tray. So just poured it straight out of the bottle into the tray. Now I did a little experiment in the back of one of the hymnals, and I gessoed it. This is if you just dip the brush in water and then put it straight on the page. This is water with the color over top, so lots of water like we've done before. So if you want a really bright look, you can do this. If you want a more watercolored look, you can do it this way. Now I want to go for kind of a messy, painty watercolor look, so I think I'm going to do this today. It's lots of fun. I mean, I just did this little bit, and what I don't like sometimes with sprays is when you spray it, it just goes everywhere. Whereas with this, it's more controlled. Like in the last video I did in my art book, or in my Lent journal, this is sprayed. So when you look at it, it's all over the place, right? Whereas with this, it is more controlled. So that's what I'm going to do. So we'll put that book over there. I should actually get a big brush for water and just do water over here. I actually should have had maybe some extra water. So I'm just gonna water up all these goodness on this page, is lots of water. And the other thing about working in a hymnal or even in a, an old book, is that you don't have to worry about covering up the words or covering up any you know, scriptures. This is just a fun way of doing art journaling in a hymnal, and you can use the Bible page kits, and you don't have to worry about getting things, you know, messed up, or, you know, what if I do something wrong with this? I think that I would be totally fine just ripping the page out and moving on. So, you know, you got to try new things. And I bought the hymnal. I was so excited about it. And I'm going to try the green, but I don't want it to mush into the yellow and turn brown or anything. So I'm just going to do a little bit. Do some maybe at the top. See where that goes. That's going to turn muddy, so we don't want to get too close to the other colors. I could have dried it as well. And then as you dry it, you can take your paper towel and dab on top of it, right? And get some of that color off, and that'll give you another look. So if you go like this, it sort of leaves the green, but not a lot of it. I got water everywhere. This might take a long time to dry. So we just want to do some fun colors in the background. So I'm going to actually dab this and take off the dark color and just leave it marbled. I'm quite enjoying this. Kind of love this little hymnal. I think I might, not sure what else I could do in here. Bible page kits and maybe just random pages. Had I thought of it before, I could have actually done the, what do you call it? My Lenten here. Or, you know, when we do our deconstructed journal, it'd be really fun to do a whole journal in a hymnal and just do different pages. That would be fun too. So this isn't quite dry in some of the spots where the water is soaked through, but we're good to go. We'll check this side pretty good, except the stuff I got on my mat. So we are ahead of the game. And then you can always pour this back if you're using one color at a time. You can pour it back. I think I'll just maybe leave it right now and then go back and do a couple more pages in the hymnal and get it ready for something else. So then from this point, all we have left to do is stickers. So that's pretty fun. And I'm not sure if I should use like big stickers or small stickers, because I do want to do this page kit in my Bible too. So let's start with the words. I should probably move this paint tray before I get it all over myself and my hands and my table. And so the skies proclaim the work of his hands. God is the ultimate artist, is he not? He's made the skies and the wind and the flowers and the trees, and all the beauty that surrounds us has come from him. And God he's amazing. Each day we need to really sit back, and we get so busy with our day that we don't stop to appreciate that little flower or that little leaves on the ground, or we look at it as, oh, I gotta go mow my grass. Well, you know what? That's from God, and be thankful that we have these things. Oh, this is pretty. And we'll do the psalm right there. I told you, I got so excited over these little doodads. I didn't know what to do. I was so excited. And I was saying the other day, my favorite part of the page kits that I did for March are these little tabs. Like, okay, how cute is that? I love the little paintbrush sticking off. I'm so fun, aren't I? Don't you love that I just get so excited over these things? And then just quick and easy. Can use the little ones. The little ones would be fun too, I think. I don't know, maybe we'll do yellow and green on this side. I'm not exactly sure what I'm even doing. I'm just kind of doing my own thing. I didn't really have a plan for this, so who knows what's gonna happen. Got all kinds of things on my desk today. It's fun, fun, fun. All right, we'll put those there. And I'll use the tabs in my little book. I think I will use the tabs on this side because I'll probably do another page on the other side. So then it can start in the book, and the tabs are made to fit back to back. So there we go, and then maybe just some hearts. And our page is pretty much finished already. Like, is that not quick and easy? When we were, you know, talking about different things to do with the journals, everybody was like, oh my gosh, you know, keep the, I'm gonna cut the middle out of that yet. Keep the Bible page kits. And I'll tell you, the Bible page kits aren't going anywhere. They are by far one of my favorite things to design for the group. So, and share, please share what you guys are doing. What are you guys doing with your page kits? Where are you using them? I've seen them in planners. I've seen them in so many places, and it's so awesome. I just love how we can use all these elements in so many different ways. So I've almost used my whole kit here. I'm using everything. I should have cut those, but that's okay. We'll leave that. So I think that's all I'm gonna do for my page. And quick, fun little technique. I'll just zoom in here so you can see. And I think I'm just gonna do a few more pages like this in this book and get it ready for something new and exciting. So everyone, thank you for joining me. Quick, easy, fun little thing to do. If you're working in a hymnal, please share it in the group. I would love ideas of how you're using your hymnals. So I will see you all in Praise and Pray. Thanks so much for joining me. God bless.